Hi, my name's Rob. I'm a guitar instructor, and I'm going to show you today how to get into improv on the guitar. So the first thing you want to do is find just a very simple blues template. The easy one to go to is an A blues, which is at the 5th fret. That's the simplest one to start with, and it's easy to find a tab of that or a chord picture of that. The next step is to memorize it. And then once you've memorized it, what you want to do is play over a backing track. You're just going to play over top in rhythm. And you can speed up once you get better. You're just getting used to the sound of music in the background as you're playing. Then the next step is to take 2 strings. The first 2 strings, the highest strings are probably the best, and experiment over the backing track. Just try different combinations of notes. You can add the 3rd string. And once you get that mastered, you can begin to learn some basic riffs, like some common riffs. Even. So it all starts with just getting used to playing the scale over the backing track. Hope that helps you out.